one of the things I will say is that what we're, regardless of whether the market turns, whether it turns in a day, a week, a month, a year, there's many strategies, things that you can do right now that are going to help you and help your organization, again, regardless of what type of insurance marketplace we're in. The first is you need to review your organization's largest loss drivers. Now, there are certain organizations that have losses, and it's very clear where are these losses coming from. Is it coming from my large auto fleet? Is it coming from people that are slipping and falling in my facility? Is it coming from client behavior? Understanding that is the first step to putting great mitigation strategies in place. So that would be step two. Is once you understand the loss drivers, you want to create a loss control recommendation strategy to try to put in place different either programs or systems or processes to make sure that you mitigate and try to lessen the claims that you're going to have. Once you create that strategy, you want to implement the strategy. Sometimes that strategy you might have, so for an organization, you might have 5 different things that you want to do. You might say, I have an auto fleet, so I want to make sure that I have the best driver safety training that's available. I also have had some claims related to my facilities and the different buildings that I'm in. You may not be able to tackle all of these strategies at once, but you want to take that list of strategies and start to implement where you can move the needle the most. Next step is you want to document all of your loss prevention efforts to highlight your positive attributes. Those are things that carriers absolutely want to see. They want to see, what are you doing to prevent and understand where your losses are? In no way, shape, or form should it be looked at as something that I don't want to inform the carrier about. Make sure you help the carrier understand what steps you're taking to make sure that you're the best possible risk, as a carrier would put it, out there. Last but not least is you want to gather your renewal information and gather the information about the loss control and loss mitigation strategies. You want to get that as early as possible ahead of your renewal so that you can provide that information to the insurance carrier and put yourself and your organization in the best possible light to get the best possible outcome in a difficult market.